How to change group name on iPhone messages. So all you have to do is to go here directly to your message section. And then what you want to do next is to choose of course, to choose the group chat that you want to change the group name with. So let's say this one. So what you want to do next is on the upper part, you will chat's photo and name. Tap on that. And here you will see change name and photo. It's actually under your group chat's name. So tap on that. And here you will see your group chat's name and just tap on X here and you have to enter your new your group name rather. Tap on done here. And basically, as you can see here, you have successfully changed your group name on iPhone messages. And basically, that's it. And of course, you have to make sure that everyone in that group chat is all iPhone users so that you can change the group name here. And basically, that's it. That's how you change group name on iPhone. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorial. Thank you for watching.